Supreme Court today dealing a big blow to the Biden administration, denying its attempts to end his predecessor's so-called Remain in Mexico program. So what remains unclear is how quickly people will be affected by this decision. NewsNation correspondent Evan Lambert live for us tonight in Washington. Evan, what is the administration's next move?
Nichole, tonight the Biden administration is weighing its legal options after the Supreme Court rejected its attempt to undo this controversial Trump-era policy on migrants at the southern border. Remain in Mexico is the policy that we're talking about. It means that migrants seeking asylum in the U.S. have to wait in Mexico while their cases are processed. That is back. The Supreme Court refusing to halt an order from a lower court in Texas that reinstated that program, which means remain in Mexico, again, the law of the land. The order from the nation's high court cited a previous ruling which said then President Trump could not end his predecessor Barack Obama's DACA policy in a similar way. President Biden ended the Trump administration's policy known officially as the Migrant Protection Protocols right after his inauguration, calling it inconsistent with the administration's values. But Texas sued, and a federal judge there ordered the program reinstated. Tonight, Republicans in Congress are applauding that decision, while immigrants' rights advocates here are calling it an outrage.
I think they get easy entry through our southern border because of the policies of the Biden administration, and this reverses, puts back the Remain in Mexico asylum policy of the Trump administration. It was largely only removed because it was from the Trump administration, and it makes sense.
Ciudad Juarez, Tijuana, Matamoros, they are cities that are violent. I mean, there's a criminal violence happening. So again, these families will be sent to that violence and to those conditions. It's a failed program that violates the rights of refugees and asylum seekers.
This legal battle is not over. The administration saying it will comply with the Supreme Court's order. They say, though, that this setback is not the final word and vow to continue to find ways to end this policy. Nichole?
All right, not the final word. Evan, thank you.